In this video, I will show you how to split a PDF file in Windows 11 without use of any third-party app, and that's too completely free. So let's get started. Let's say we have this PDF file, and this PDF file has total 4 pages. Now we want to split this PDF file and create a new PDF file that contains just 2 pages, that is page number 2 and page number 3. So to do this, just right click on the PDF file that you want to split, go to Open with option, and then open this file with Microsoft Edge. Now the file is open in Microsoft Edge browser. Now you need to click on this print icon at the top bar. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl P. Now in the pop-up under printer option, just select the option as Microsoft Print to PDF option. Now under pages, select the page that you want to split. Let's say if we want to split the page 2 and 3, so I will enter 2-3. If you want to split just one page, then just enter the page number. Once done, click on print button. Now select the location where you want to save the new PDF file. Keep save as type as PDF document and then click on save. Now if you go to that location, you will find that new PDF has been created, and if I open this PDF file, you will find that this PDF has only 2 pages and this is newly created from the original one. So that is how you can split a PDF file on Windows 11 without use of third-party app. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.